getting some breaking news right now. Union Minister and BJP is in charge for Punjab polls. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat has said that the announcement of the pact between the BJP and the Lok Congress is likely to be made soon. He has hinted at a possible alliance between the BJP and Captain Amrinder Singh's party. So that's the latest that we are learning, while we are yet to hear an official word on the alliance between the BJP and Captain Amrinder's party. We have this word coming in, statement coming in from the Union Minister. First, let's listen into the soundbite of Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and then we'll get you more details.
देखिए, पंजाब के जिस तरह के हालात हैं, मैंने अभी अपने भाषण में भी कहा कि आज पंजाब पर 4 लाख करोड़ रुपए का कर्जा है। मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, ये जितनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टियाँ आज यहाँ काम कर रही, जो नए नए नारे और लोक लुभावने वादे यहाँ कर रही, आज पंजाब 4 लाख करोड़ रुपए के कर्जे से डूबा हुआ पंजाब किस तरह से उनको पूरा कर पाएगा? उनको अपनी योजनाओं को स्पष्ट करना चाहिए। जो यहाँ आकर के दिल्ली से यहाँ आकर के इस तरह की लोक लुभावन योजनाएं बना रहे हैं या जो नारे दे रहे हैं, उनको दिल्ली में उन्होंने क्या किया है वो भी एक बार स्पष्ट करना चाहिए। कितने वादे जो उन्होंने दिल्ली में किए थे वो पूरे किए हैं, उनको भी यहाँ स्पष्ट करना चाहिए। हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी के मैनिफेस्टो के आधार पर हमारी पूरी आगामी कार्यरचना और किसके लिए हम चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं आप सबके सामने स्पष्ट करेंगे। लेकिन मैं मूल बिंदु आप सबके सामने रखना चाहता हूँ कि किसान की खुशहाली के लिए, पंजाब की खुशहाली के लिए, और पंजाब जो पिछड़ते आज 81 में जो पहले पायदान का देश हुआ करता था जीडीपी के हिसाब से, आज पंजाब 16वें नंबर पर पहुंचा है। जीडीपी ग्रोथ के हिसाब से 32वें नंबर पर पहुंच गया है। उस पंजाब को वापस खुशहाल पंजाब बनाएंगे, पंजाब के खोए हुए स्वर्णिम अतीत को, आर्थिक अतीत को।
And going across to my colleague Amandeep for more on this. Amandeep, we just heard the Union Minister going all out and saying that the BJP and Captain Amrinder, they are likely to form alliance ahead of the Punjab polls. How soon can we expect the official announcement on the alliance between the BJP and the Punjab Lok Congress?
Well, both the parties, Punjab Lok Congress and BJP, they are taking stock of the situation that how many seats can be divided in both the parties. Just because BJP is trying to dominate the Hindu belt of Punjab, just because Punjab is having 36% vote bank of Hindus. And on the other side, Captain's Punjab Lok Congress is trying to cater the support from the distant Congress leaders. All the people who are unhappy with Navjot Singh Sidhu, all the leaders and workers who are not satisfied with Congress party's this decision that pulling down Captain and picking up Navjot Singh Sidhu, they all are inclined and every day switching towards Punjab Lok Congress. So these two parties are like-minded parties. The leaders are like-minded leaders.
Right.
And the entire political scenario of Punjab for 2022 polls is somewhere down the line inclined towards this alliance. Just because if we see Congress party, Navjot Singh Sidhu eroded the entire Punjab Congress, just because there are 4 different sections in Punjab, they are trying to make their own lobby. On the third front, Aam Aadmi Party, that was on 20 MLAs in 217 and today it has been reduced to 11. So every single party is reducing, but BJP and Punjab Lok Congress is gaining every day. So this is a positive note. That is the reason they are not able to announce the seats officially. They are just making certain calculations on ground that which are the seats can be having winnability of Punjab Lok Congress and which are the seats that deserve BJP and have that kind of winnability. So that is the reason. But seat sharing is definitely there. BJP and Punjab Lok Congress is alliance is definitely there. And
Amandeep, I'll request you to stay with us. We are being joined by Manjinder Singh Sirsa of the BJP on the broadcast. Thank you for taking out time, sir. What do you have to say about the alliance that people are waiting for between the BJP as well as the Punjab Lok Congress? How soon can we expect an official word on the same?
See, I cannot comment on what time and how much time it may take. But yes, I think that this alliance is the want of the day, and Captain Amrinder Singh has an image which is a nationalist image. Everybody knew that in spite of being a chief minister from Congress party, he always stood by the interest of this nation. So it is very important for him also and for BJP also that a person like Amrinder Singh should join hands with BJP.
Well, thanks for taking out time and speaking with us. So all eyes will be on the announcement that is likely to happen soon. An official word is awaited on the alliance between the BJP and the Punjab Lok Congress ahead of the Punjab polls.